Now, Sarfaraz, you are sitting and studying, and then it throws a thought, Salma, कि I will propose her. I will. Then we will go for a date. Then I will take her. Now what will happen? One side NCERT is open. Pay attention, all of you. On one side NCERT is open. On the other side, he is roaming with Salma. And both the things are happening parallelly. Parallelly, you are enjoying. You have taken her in your arms and you are holding your hand. You are having the two straws in a bottle, and NCERT is also going on. This is the biggest challenge which 99% people are facing today. Digestion is not taking place. Up Sanika will sit to study. Sanika. So her mind will throw कि पापा को BP है. And she has open NCERT on one side. On the other side, father's BP. Parallelly it's going on. यही मुसलमानों के साथ हो रहा है नमाज पढ़ते वक्त. This is happening with Hindus while worshipping. That is why they are not getting the result. Na? You see today, Muslims are more attentive for their religion. On every mosque on Friday you will see a huge gathering. But Muslims are frustrated. On every Tuesday you will see Hindus huge gathering. But Hindus are frustrated because this is happening. Khalil. Because this is happening. Now point is, so there is no problem in Islam, Sarfaraz. There is no problem in Hinduism. Where is the problem? Approach. Where is the problem? Approach. What is the solution? Challenges and solution. Challenges and solution. Yoga, meditation, start writing. Listen, listen, listen. Listen, Vigyan Singh, listen. Solution is, now your girlfriend has left you. X is your girlfriend. She has left you. What you did, you started a Padyatra from Kashmir to Kanyakumari with the noble cause of social unity. So to neglect one thing, you are creating another thing, and that is positive. That is positive. Here also the same formula initially, then meditation will start later on. Selection जब हो जाएगा ना, तो टोकन के रूप में 1-1 करोड़ रुपए जमा करवा देना. इसको फॉलो कर लोगे, आईएएस बनोगे 6 महीने के अंदर. If you will follow it, 6 months will take, 6 months. Your entire personality, your entire behavior, your reading approach, everything will change. थोड़ी सी मेहनत लगेगी. Initially it's challenging. को करना क्या है? Now you don't know from where it is coming. तुमको तो पता नहीं है. You don't know. So when you don't know from where it is coming, how you will control? You don't know from where it is coming. So when you don't know from where it is coming, you will not be able to control. ठीक, तो वो तो मुद्दा ही नहीं उसको कंट्रोल करना. मेडिटेशन इज नॉट कंट्रोलिंग ऑफ माइंड बिकॉज यू डोंट नो वेयर इज माइंड. तो करना क्या है? अब ये मूवी चल रही है, चलने दो, चलने दो. तुम सांसों को पकड़ लो. ब्रीदिंग, ब्रीदिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इनिशियल फेज ऑफ मेडिटेशन.